Welcome to AQ. Thank you for choosing AutoQuotes as your technology solutions provider. This 3-video series gives you a basic overview of the AQ application and gets you ready to create quotes for your customers. In this first video, we'll explore the sections that make each AQ screen easy to use and navigate. These sections include the navigation bar, located at the bottom of the screen, the main panel, here in the center, the Quick Access toolbar at the top left of your screen, the Filters panel here beneath the Quick Access toolbar, the search bar across the top of the screen, and the Details panel located on the right of the screen. Let's start with the navigation bar. This bar includes the main tabs that let you navigate AQ. The Projects tab is one of the 2 most used tabs in AQ. Selecting this tab brings up the list of projects you create here in the main panel. Note here that if you haven't created any projects yet, this panel will be blank. The Catalog tab is the other most used tab in AQ. When selected, it displays a list of manufacturers and products in the main panel. You'll see more tabs based on your role in your organization. These may include Contacts, Manufacturer Settings, Manufacturer History, Admin Settings, Order Status, and Analytics. For the remainder of this video, we'll work from the Projects tab. In the center of the screen is the main panel. This is where the bulk of your information will be accessed and viewed. The tab you select determines what items will populate the panel and what icons appear in the ribbon that appears directly under the Quick Access toolbar. The Quick Access toolbar is at the top left of the screen. Let's review the buttons. The question mark icon represents AutoQuotes Help Center and opens a pop-up box where you can search for answers and tips. The dollar symbol lets you hide or show net prices, depending on whether you want to show markups or margins. The Toggle Details button turns the Details panel on the right side of the screen on and off. Excel Export lets you export selected lists from the main panel when available. And Log Out of AQ lets you log out of the application. Below the Quick Access toolbar is the Filters panel. Here you select categories to filter the information in the main panel. Click in the box next to the filter to select it. This will narrow your results for greater search efficiency. Near the top of the screen is the search bar. Type in your search items, hit enter, and your results will appear in the main panel. You can search by name, category, product number, or other terms. Clicking on the X to the left of the search bar will delete the search results and return you to the previous information on the main panel. On the right of the screen is the Details panel. This is where you'll find more in-depth information about items you highlighted in the main panel. Depending on the information you need at any time, you can show or hide the Details panel by using the toggle button in the Quick Access toolbar. In the next video in this series, we'll explore the Catalog tab, where searches for projects and quotes all begin.